Hi, everyone. Welcome to our English podcast.
Hello. This is a simple English conversation.
We are sitting and talking.
We speak slowly and clearly.
This podcast is for beginners.
So relax and listen.
Let's start our conversation. Hi, Tom.
Hi, Anna. How are you today?
I'm good. I feel relaxed today.
That's nice. I feel calm too.
It's a good day.
Yes, it is. I like quiet days like this.
Me too. It's nice to sit and talk.
So, Anna, what do you do in the morning?
I wake up early. I wake up at 6:30.
That's early. I wake up at 7.
What do you do after you wake up?
I brush my teeth. I wash my face.
Same for me. Then I make coffee.
I drink tea in the morning.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast at home. I eat bread and eggs.
That sounds good. I eat breakfast too.
After breakfast, I go to university.
I go to work.
Do you like your work?
Yes, I like my work.
What do you do at work?
I work on my computer. I read and write.
Do you talk to people at work?
Yes, I talk to my coworkers.
I have many classes at university. I study English, history, and science.
That's interesting. Do you like your classes?
Yes, I like them. Sometimes they are difficult, but I learn a lot.
What is your favorite class?
I like history. I like to read about old stories.
Wow, that's nice.
I meet my friends at university. We study together and sometimes go to the cafe.
Do you like your friends?
Yes, I like them very much. We help each other with homework.
That's good. I think friends are important.
Yes, they make life fun. In my free time, I play football and read books. I also like music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft and calm music. Sometimes I go to concerts.
I like calm music too. I listen to music in the evening.
I also enjoy watching movies with my friends.
That's fun. I watch movies at home sometimes. Tom, what do you want to do in the future?
I want to travel and work in a big company. I want to meet new people and learn new things.
That sounds exciting. Do you want to study more after university?
Yes, I want to do a master's degree.
Good luck. I hope your plans come true.
Thank you, Anna. I like talking with you, Anna.
Me too, Tom.
It's nice to sit and talk.
Yes. Thank you for listening.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.